I got an e-bike. Today we've got the Vanpowers City Vanture bike. Let's put it together. I'm super excited to demonstrate my wizardry skills that I've been practicing. So let's go ahead and showcase this magic. Just kidding. It ain't even that heavy, I don't know what I'm doing. But I'm magic though, trust. Packaging is very impressive. Nice wheel. There's a first look at the belt drive that they have. I hope you can hear that. Oh, all nice and packaged, officially padded, if you will. The setup is really easy. It comes with all of the tools required to put the bike together. Everything's very organized and well labeled. The instructions, it honestly feels like building a Lego set. Preface, this video is not sponsored by Vanpowers, but they did provide the channel with the bike to review. This bike is put together in pieces and snaps together, meaning you could potentially disassemble it into a very small footprint for easy transportation or traveling. Fully together, it's very light and easily maneuverable, probably one of the lightest electric bikes you'll come across. Despite being in such a lightweight and compact form factor, the bike features Tektro hydraulic disc brakes, a Gates carbon drive belt-driven system, and a 350 to 500 watt hub motor. What has been the coolest part to me about this bike is the all-in-one motor and controller system. Having worked with high-power electric drive systems, I've never seen an all-in-one unit like this, and I wonder if it's something that could be scaled up to a bigger, more powerful motor. Speaking about the motor, the built-in cadence sensor detects when the rider has begun pedaling, and the controller will automatically begin supplying the motor with current from the 36 volt, 7 amp hour LG cell battery built into the down tube. The whole power system and screen are waterproof, so you can feel comfortable with riding in the rain. But like, I wouldn't ride in the rain, that kind of sucks. The belt drive system creates for an insanely sleek and stealthy ride. And honestly, riding this bike, it's like completely silent, which is like super fun. Nobody knows that it's electric. The sound of the freewheel is also one of the best freewheels I've ever heard. With the current setup, the bike can provide a range up to 50 miles on minimum power levels, but riding at max power level, which of course I do, you would see around 15 to 20 miles of range. And the bike has a charge time of about 2 hours. While pedaling hard on level 5 assist mode, you can reach a speed of up to 25 miles per hour, which makes for a really comfortable commute, but much different from my 75 mile per hour, 14,000 watt electric bike build. Click that link in the top right. This is really, this is a steep ass hill. I'm barely pedaling. But stay tuned to watch me push it to its absolute limit. But I honestly enjoy moving at this comfortable speed. Also, you can put the assist mode to 0, which makes for a nice manual biking experience. Something I need because I literally made every bike I own electric. That's insane. I literally took all of my family's bikes and made them electric. I'm sorry. I am used to 5,000 watts, 14,000 watts, you know. And the fact that 500 can do that? So if any of this has seemed intriguing to you guys, I have an affiliate link down in the description. So feel free to check the bike out with that link. We're at. Now let's get to some riding footage. What, 70% battery? And then we'll go for a little POV run. Get some high speeds. You know, it's all things electric channel. It wouldn't be all things electric if we didn't try to bomb it down a hill and hit 40 miles an hour. I gotta wear a helmet. Gotta try not to hit a lot of bumps either, because of this camera on the back. It likes to slip and fall. It's a big fan of slipping and fallage. This is one of the steepest hills in my city, and I'm cruising at 15 miles an hour, like with minimal effort. This is awesome. Speed record on a Vanpowers City Vanture. Let's go. Speed limit 30, see if we can break it at least. 26. I can't pedal any faster. 29. 30. That's so funny. Oh, I couldn't pedal any faster. I mean, since it's single speed, obviously I can't shift and make it less torquey, more speedy. I think it gets to like a maximum, let's see, a maximum like pedaling frequency is around 18 miles an hour. Any faster than that, it gets kind of, you know, like uncomfortable to pedal that fast. Bro, I haven't actually ridden a bike in so long. Like, I accidentally turned all of my bikes electric, and I just like can't get a bicycle workout anymore. So this is like perfect, like a crazy good balance. All right, let's try to get faster than 30 over here and then turn around while going as fast as I can, and hopefully it'll, you know, we're gonna get faster than 30. We got it in the bag. It's in the bag. Okay, fuck. The car. That is like perfect shitty timing. Okay, I'm just gonna start from here because 29, 30. Let's go faster. 31, 32, 33. Oh, that's it. 33. That's pretty good, bro. I cannot complain with that. This bike is so smooth. Like, there's no point I feel unsafe doing that. In terms of like commuting viability, this is like huge. I mean, not only are you getting a good workout, but it's like, it's not too much. And as opposed to like an electric vehicle, like an electric car, it's not gonna like boost your electricity bill to where it's noticeable. I mean, it's practically free. And it's better than a regular bike, obviously. I think this is where, you know, personal e-mobility needs to be going. I think Vanpowers has done like a really good job of, you know, making it stylish. Nice cruising at 20. This is great. And by the way, I've been on boost mode the entire time. I mean, I can test out. We'll go to 3, which is tour. Comfortable pedaling. It's topping at around 16 miles per hour. It's just really comfortable. I mean, you got a lot of options speed-wise and you know, effort-wise. Obviously, on this channel, we're big into speed, so I've been keeping it on 5 the whole time. But you know, this is great. And I just can't get over the look of the display here. It is like perfect. Very visible, not dim. And just look at it, wow. This is a really comfortable amount of power on touring mode. Wow. I enjoy this actually. Let's go take some corners. Race it around a bit. Bro, this is fun as shit. Ah! Oh man, this is cool. Just doing some laps. rough surfaces, it's like not uncomfortable. It's a hardtail, but it's just like, it feels so solid that you don't feel uncomfortable with no suspension. You get up to speed so quickly too. And you can be sporty and shit. Stand up and pedal. What do I think about the commuting viability? I think it is there. Whatever your like interest is biking wise, I think this checks off every list. This is just awesome. Like, great workout, but it's not too much, you know? Thank you guys for coming along with me on this new kind of idea that we've had. And I appreciate y'all. Check this thing out if you're interested in something like this. Link should be in the description. What should be like my outro thing? Should it be like, how about build shit? Look, GoPro. Insta, GoPro. Hopefully you got some cool footage. You. Look at this shit, it's fire. Okay, bye.